Hey guys, today we'd be using a bunch of tie clips, some copper wires, and a soldering iron in order to fix this broken fridge drawer, and this technique can be used to fix other plastics too. We'd be taping together the broken plastic pieces so that they stay intact, and also remove the soldering iron tip and insert its other side. Peel the wire to extract single copper wire pieces. With the help of a pliers, twist the wire to give it a 90-degree bend. When the wire is ready, place it over the broken plastic piece and with help of a soldering iron, apply pressure in a way that the wire sticks to the plastic. Make sure that the entire copper wire enters the plastic when heated. For any holes in the plastic, we'd be using some tie clips to fill the gap here. As we know that copper is a flexible metal, so it will prevent the plastic pieces from breaking again.